Så det tid til... Oh, sorry, that's actually... that's Danish. Apologies. You learned... Well, you were exposed to 2 seconds of Danish. We don't need to be here right now. Not right now. We're gonna play a little bit with the routes. And yeah, that's actually what we're gonna play with. Where we left off last time was here. Composer was nice and put a lot of Laravel stuff in our folder, and we are going to open that up. I'm going to open that with PHP Storm. VS Code and a bunch of other stuff can also be fine, but it takes some work to make it work the same way with the extension and so on. We have here, I'm not sure whether that's visible, that I need to explain a little bit about Laravel and maybe see if our application can actually run so far. And I think I opened PHP Storm. All right. So this is it. And where we're going to be, well, we're going to work mostly. There are other stuff. For example, if you go in here, no, at some point you start writing this blade templating engine, and it kind of has some built-in functions that's way prettier than what you would otherwise. For example, if you had to loop through a for each loop in raw PHP, it looks it's not that pretty. But then here it transforms it, and then it puts it down here, for example. But we're not going to talk about that. That's just a story that you have to forget very fast, as it is not meaningful right now. So we're going to write some routes at some point, also in here. When we build our API, what are the other folders? We are gonna have a little bit. I'm gonna import my UI from not UI. It's the front end, the HTML and the Bootstrap from our previous project. It's gonna be approximately the same, and I could actually do that right now, probably. Put that in use. Then we are gonna have some migrations. We might have some do some factoring and some seeding in a later video, and then we're gonna have some controllers, one for API at least, and one for all our transactions we're gonna save, and then we're gonna have this dashboard, which probably also is gonna get their own controller. Let's see what happens. Then we had our model, which this is not this one. This is for the built-in login system, but here we're going to place our database. Let's see if the artisan serve. And the reason this works is because there's a route down here that says when you go here, then return this view, and that view is directly in the root folder, which is here, and it's welcome. So and that is that's how that's done. And in the next video, we're gonna look a bit more about our front end, how that looks, and how we can maybe make some of all these dead buttons we had at the moment work, and how we actually can get set up some routes. So see you there.